Hi there. Today we're exploring the difference between analytical thinking and critical thinking. Both are crucial skills, but what sets them apart? Let's find out. Analytical thinking is all about breaking down complex information into smaller parts. It's like being a detective, meticulously examining each piece of evidence. In analytical thinking, you focus on understanding the how and what of a problem by analyzing data and identifying patterns. Critical thinking, on the other hand, is about evaluating information objectively and making reasoned judgments. It's like being a judge, weighing evidence and considering different perspectives. Critical thinking involves questioning assumptions, recognizing biases, and thinking about the why behind information and decisions. Both analytical and critical thinking require a logical, structured approach to problem solving. They help you make informed decisions and understand complex issues. Now, let's highlight the key differences. Analytical thinking focuses on breaking down information and finding patterns. Critical thinking evaluates information to form a reasoned judgment. Analytical thinking often involves a step-by-step process to dissect data. Critical thinking requires questioning and evaluating to understand deeper meanings and implications. Let's say you're choosing a new phone. Analytical thinking would involve comparing specs, prices, and reviews. Critical thinking would have you ask why you need a new phone and if the features meet your specific needs. In a business meeting, analytical thinking might involve reviewing sales data to find trends. Critical thinking would involve evaluating the strategy behind those trends and considering alternative approaches. Here's a practical tip. Combine both skills. Start by analyzing the data to understand the problem, then use critical thinking to evaluate your findings and make a reasoned decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on effective thinking. See you next time.